it's Friday, February 14th. Thank you so much for joining us on this edition of WEX Wakeup. I'm Natasha Sweet. President Donald Trump has directed federal agencies to fire employees who are on probation a year or more after being hired in an effort to trim the federal workforce.
President Trump took further action to make our federal government more efficient and effective. He signed an EO implementing the DOJ Workforce Optimization Initiative. Now agency heads will coordinate and consult with DOJ to significantly shrink the size of the federal workforce and limit hiring to essential positions only.
The move is part of the Trump administration's broader efforts to cut down the federal workforce and save money. This follows an 8-month buyout offer that enticed thousands of federal employees to resign. Meanwhile, 14 states have sued Elon Musk and the Department of Government Efficiency. New Mexico leads the lawsuit, which seeks to block Musk from canceling government contracts or ordering spending changes. The lawsuit alleges that Musk's access to sensitive government data breaches the Constitution's Appointments Clause, as he has not been confirmed by the Senate. A federal judge has blocked President Trump's executive orders aimed at defunding transgender procedures for youth.
As of today, it will henceforth be the official policy of the United States government that there are only two genders, male and female.
U.S. District Judge Brendan A. Herson issued the temporary restraining order in Baltimore. It's halting the administration's efforts to condition federal aid on the cessation of transgender services for minors. The orders sought to define gender based solely on biological sex and eliminate federal funding for transgender care for individuals under 19. Following the orders, some hospitals scaled back services, prompting a lawsuit from 7 transgender youth and advocacy groups. Legal experts expect the case may ultimately reach the Supreme Court, with a hearing scheduled for Friday in Seattle. The acting U.S. Attorney for Manhattan resigned after being ordered to drop corruption charges against New York City Mayor Eric Adams, sparking controversy within the Justice Department.
I believe that the AG has made it clear that she's going after weaponization of the Justice Department, and I encourage, and as they say, I'm Eric Adams, and I approve of that message.
Acting U.S. Attorney Danielle Sasson resigned alongside 2 DOJ officials after receiving a directive to dismiss a corruption case against Mayor Adams. In her resignation letter, she expressed bafflement over the decision and argued that dismissing the case would further allegations of a weaponized Justice Department. Sasson suggested that Manhattan prosecutors could file a superseding indictment against Adams for obstruction and evidence destruction. Deputy Attorney General Emil Bove, who ordered the dismissal, called her actions politically motivated and stated that Adams' case would be transferred to the DOJ for dismissal. Well, thank you so much for joining us on this Friday morning. For more stories, be sure to head on over to our website and give us a follow on social media so you can stay in the know and all that's trending in politics. Have a wonderful weekend.